Hello, Darin Martineau here with Master Business Coaching. And in today's video, I'm going to do a short review of this new book, which is called Coach Builder by Donald Miller. And wow, this is absolutely incredible. I highly recommend this book. So I'm going to have a link in the description. I'm going to talk about why this book is so good. Okay. First of all, if you haven't heard of Donald Miller, check him out. I'm building my website now, and this is going to be like helping me with putting the marketing in place, everything. But it's much more than that. So this book was recommended by a close friend of mine who's my marketing student. He's my marketing helper. There's 8 steps. Okay. Step number 1, create a menu of products you can sell to clients. Everything in here we're going to be doing. We're going to be making a lot of videos about this. Step 2, create and manage a potential client list. Okay. One of the things I like that he talks about in this book that makes it so good is that he talks about a product ladder and a marketing ladder. And if you don't know the differences, we're going to be making videos about that. But wherever your client, your customer, whether you're providing products, services, whatever it is, wherever they are in the process, this shows you how to take them to the next level. Okay. Step 3, get your website and sales pitch right. Very important. Step 4, learn to write great emails that close the deal. Step 5, map out your client journey by creating a marketing and product ladder. There we go. Step 6, establish realistic goals and accomplish those goals. Step 7, build and or join a coaching community. And that's what we're doing here. So click on the link if you want to join my new Facebook group on business coaching and life coaching. If you want to be mentored, okay, and you want to take your business to the next level, this is a real deal. This guy shows you not only to build $1 million business in the first year, but then 18 months after that, how to go to 8 figures. Step number 8 is master soft skills of coaching, a week in the life of a successful business coach, how to scale your coaching business to 7 figures and beyond, 8 figures, we just said. The point is transformation. So what makes this book so good is that he really breaks down. He had a lot of business coaches that he was working with, and they didn't know how to do marketing, so he created this book. So I highly recommend anything by Donald Miller, but this is one of the books that I'm currently using to build up my massive business. So click on the link if you'd like to get it, and also click on the link to get my free marketing guide. Thank you very much. Have a great day.